the teaching I did, the power of seduction, the spirit of seduction, then you can connect all these dots together. But flirting is different from seducing. This is they are like brothers and sisters, but from different fathers. I don't know how to explain that. So it's not the same thing, but it's the same thing somehow. Yeah, so today we are not focusing on seducing because we have done that teaching before. So we are just focusing on flirting. Yeah. It is beautiful to flirt around. It is wise and healthy. It is expression of your soul. And you that they are being flirted on, it is a chance for you to come out of your own safe zone, which you have protected yourself already. For example, let me be giving an example because we have time. These are those type of teaching where we have long time. Let me be giving an example. Let's say a woman who is broken, damaged from the relationship, from the traumas, from the childhood loads. All these things has broken her spirits. Now she's hidden there in a safe zone. She don't like friends. She don't like going out. She don't talk to too much people. She's very private and very reserved because she's scared of the world out there now. The world has hurt her so bad to the point that the only place that is safe for her now is within her own self. So now she creates a shield around her. Not a shield to fight, but a shield to protect her from the world that she don't know anymore. Now she's scared of the reality out there. Even when she see a man, she see the man as if the man is holding a sword to stab her heart again. So she don't give that chance. She's locked, full of scars and flaws, and the pains are within her. She always do her thing. She walk alone. She talk to herself a lot because she don't have to talk to nobody. She don't know who to even talk to. She can't trust no one anymore. The world looks so toxic in her eyes now. She's alone. Sometimes if she's lucky, she have already a son. Most of them always have a son. Because of she's feminine and that son now balance her energy. So now the son is her husband, is her father, is her everything. This is the only life now. A woman like that, when a man with a good spirit can use his spirit of flirting to penetrate her life, then that man can help her come out from that cave, from that dark cave, and tell her it's okay, give me your hands, I can transport you, and you're safe with me. At the beginning it's not easy, then the man must have patience. And she have to see that you that is giving her your hands, you are safe. You are still, you are firm, you are grounded. Meaning you are safe out there. Then she will know that giving you her hands now don't put her in danger. But that man can only do that with the spirit of flirting. Praying for her will not take her out from there. She will just receive a prayer and keep it within her cave. Buying her gift will not take her out of there. She will receive the gift and put it inside her cave. Sleeping with her 5 hours a day will not take her out of there. She will enjoy the sex and keep on sleeping in her cave. But using the spirit of flirting can bring her out. And this man that wants to use the spirit of flirting now, this way I love the spirit so much. This man does not even necessarily need to sleep with her. This is what you have to know. He don't even need to sleep with her. He don't even need to do all those things. No. All you just need is to use that spirit of flirting to tease her, to make us open that door for what you don't know. Don't forget, that's what the spirit is all about. It helps you open that door for what you don't know that you're expecting. But it's also a dangerous game. It's dangerous if the man is not completely aware of his own self. Because spirit of flirting can possess you, and when you are not in charge of yourself, you end up cursing yourself. So these are not just sweet things, sweet and bitter at the same time. Depends on which teeth you use to crack the nuts. You have to know what we are talking about now. This teaching is kind of complicated. Everybody will just not understand it. But what I'm trying to share with you is this. If you are that man and the spirit of flirting now possess you, and you now meet that type of woman, listen very good, and you start flirting around. Because how do you flirt? You make her feel safe with you. You make her feel like you give her good care, nice compliments. You know, you put fire in that pot to start boiling. You put fire in that pot to start boiling, and then the food start cooking. And then she starts opening. That door starts opening. Everything starts rising. Life has come now again. And now she's feeling that sun now. Your smile gives her joy and hope now. Your presence makes her feel reasons to stay alive now. Now she have a friend. Now she trusts you. Now she's ready to jump without being scared of how deep this water is. Now she's having life back again. But you must be in charge. You the man, I mean, in this case. Of course, it can happen both ways, or we are just only using one example now. You, the man, must be in charge of that spirit. If you, the man, is not in charge of that spirit, then you are about to curse your own soul. I so don't recognize that spirit behind you. I so recognize you. I so see you now like that good Samaritan who wants to rescue her and save her. That's why your intentions must be very clear. I always advise men for this. In fact, the most beautiful way to flirt around is to make your intentions very clear. You can flirt with her, make her no listen, no, I'm just doing all this now, does not mean I want to marry you. Don't think my husband don't come, oh. Hey, the father, my baby have come, oh. He will not replace, he will not be the man of my house, oh. He will not carry my surname, oh. Just let her know why you are doing those things. That help her build a safety landing. Help her build where she will land. But if you don't know yourself as a man, and you allow flirting spirits to be using you, you will just curse yourself. Because now you are bringing her out from the cave into a world where she have completely run from already. Then you must be ready to show a direction. Because anything that now happened to her after you have brought her out of that cave, it's on your head. It's on your head. That's why I always tell any woman I like, I always tell them my truths. And some are like, you get mad though. You know, if you tell a woman this kind of thing will make her leave you. Yeah, of course, you feel leave me, no problem. You feel leave me. But this is how it is. So if you not agree, then good. If you not can agree, no problem. After I know the secret of women already, I know that no matter how you are as a man, there is a type of you out there as a woman. So if you meet one today, she's not like you, no problem. There's another one like you out there. Same with women. No matter how your character is or how you are, there is a type of man like you out there who will still love you like that. Pure and genuine love. Exactly. Of course, that is the medicine. So that woman now, you are using that power of flexing to rescue out from that place. That is the essence of pure love. But that pure love must be genuine. That is not the stamp. That pure love must become genuine so that she will know now that I am coming out of this cave to be strong, to be stronger on my own, not to lie down on your back. I will rephrase it again. The man has to make her understand the pureness of his heart, that I am just here to guide you, to bring you out of this cave, so you can stand on your feet, not to come and lie down on my back, because I'm not sure how many distance I can transport you on my back. And then you leave her for she to make that decision. It's very important. If not, if you promise her you will carry her your back, come out from that cave, no problem. I will take you on my back, you are safe with me. And then before you walk another 6 months or 3 months, you are tired of the load. Now you run away. Now she's 10 times more broken than before. That is dangerous. It's dangerous because you, the man, now will not use your head to carry everything. A woman is God, don't forget. So you will not use your head to carry everything. That's why many men don't know what is going on in their life today, because they were not conscious of many things they were doing. Because a woman has a beautiful body, she looks so forever wow in your eyes. But she's broken. The world has broken her, and she just hide herself within her cave. So you just allow your flirting spirit to bring her out, deceive her, take her to your home, sleep with her. First, you are not even sleeping with her, because that body you are sleeping with is not a real body. When a woman is broken, you are not even supposed to sleep with her until she heals, because what you are doing there is not really nothing. But no problem, many men don't know these things. Okay, you deceive her, you bring her home, you think you're smart, you just sleep with her, and you leave her. Don't know what you have just done to yourself. For you penetrating her, you have just inherited all her curse, her load, her frustration, her depression, everything. You have just inherited. In fact, you are now the problem. You are not the problem. That's not healthy. Emotion is not enough. Awareness must be there. Tell her the real truth and show your intentions from the beginning. That is the power of flirting, the right way to flirt. She must see that this is how it is. Okay, let me tell you a little story about I flirt a lot, but let me tell you one of my story. I knew a lady. She's half Mexican and she's half